sa Stars World. Ay, muntik na si Ate. Also extending ng teaching. Assignment ko kasi is extending master teacher secondary. Saan ka? Wala. Extending secondary school. Master teacher secondary. Pero pala kining gana dyan.
Awan kanya kada kasi.
Pero bisan siya.